Hello, storytellers and marketers. Ever wondered why storytelling is so powerful in marketing? Today, in our first video on advanced storytelling for marketing, we're diving deep into advanced storytelling techniques that will not only answer that question, but also elevate your marketing campaigns. From understanding your audience's psyche to harnessing the power of various mediums, we've got it all covered. In this video series, we will dive into advanced strategies that will invigorate your marketing campaigns and create unforgettable experiences for your customers. Please also note that in the description, we have included links to a few resources that we believe will help you. So without further ado, let's embark on this storytelling journey. As a marketer, you might ask the question, why does storytelling matter in marketing? The answer to that question would be that at its essence, storytelling speaks to the heart. It transcends facts and figures to evoke emotions, build connections, and inspire action. Your customers are no longer just consumers. They are the protagonists in a journey where your product or service offers a solution to their challenge. However, to unlock the transformative power of storytelling, you must know more than the narrative structure. You need to master the craft of weaving compelling narratives that resonate with your audience and echo your brand's essence. This video is designed to catapult you into the realm of sophisticated storytelling, and we will be covering the following topics. 1. Audience-driven storytelling. We will delve deep into your audience's psyche to craft narratives that connect at an emotional level and drive action. 2. Building your brand's epic. This is done by shaping your brand's mission, vision, and values into powerful stories that ignite interest and foster loyalty. 3. Evoking emotion. We will learn how to stir emotions that inspire trust, kindle desire, and drive customer action, creating a bond beyond the transactional. 4. Harnessing the power of mediums. Discover how to utilize various mediums from blog posts to video content to immersive technologies to convey your brand's narrative effectively. 5. Data as a narrative tool. Learn to leverage data to weave compelling narratives that bolster your brand or product's value proposition. And 6. Ethical narratives. Understand the essence of authenticity and the importance of ethical storytelling in fostering long-lasting customer relationships. At the end of this journey, you'll have gained a deep, practical understanding of advanced storytelling techniques ready to be implemented in your next marketing campaign. Without further delay, let's begin. Let's begin our journey by taking a look at how we can master the art of audience analysis. To begin this journey, we will focus on an aspect of storytelling often overlooked, yet paramount to its success and understanding your audience. Your audience is the protagonist of your story, the central character whose journey toward overcoming a challenge is the narrative's driving force. In this context, it is essential to understand who this protagonist is, what drives them, their challenges, and how your product or service can help them overcome it. This portion of the video will introduce advanced strategies to analyze your audience and understand their needs and wants. Only with this understanding can you craft narratives that resonate with them at a deep, emotional level. First up is demographic analysis. Go beyond basic demographic details like age, gender, and location. Seek to understand their occupation, income level, education, and other factors that shape their perspective and purchasing behavior. Next is psychographic analysis. This is where we dig deeper to understand your audience's values, attitudes, interests, lifestyles, and personality traits. This will allow you to craft stories that connect with them at a deeply emotional level. We then need to understand pain points and needs. What challenges does your audience face that your product or service can solve? Understanding these pain points will enable you to position your product or service as the solution within your narrative. Next up is social listening. Leverage social media to understand your audience better. What are they saying about your brand, your products, or your industry? This can offer invaluable insights into their perception and expectations. And finally, customer journey mapping. This technique allows you to visualize the journey your customer takes from first hearing about your brand to making a purchase. It can provide insights into what information they need at each stage, helping you craft a story that guides them through this journey. By mastering these techniques, you will be able to understand your audience on a profound level. This understanding is the bedrock upon which successful storytelling is built, and that wraps up our deep dive into mastering the art of audience analysis. Remember, understanding your audience is the foundation of powerful storytelling. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have so much more to share in this series, and we can't wait to continue this journey with you. Until next time, keep crafting those compelling narratives.